Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to hide mutual friend on Facebook. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Now go to the settings. Now scroll down and you will find how people can find and contact you under audience and visibility section. So head over there. Now go to who can see your friends list and make it private or make it only me and click on save. And then this is done by adjusting the privacy settings in your friend list, preventing other from seeing who you are friends with and therefore also hiding your mutual friends. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.